And if it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color.
Okay, so when did we buy this Lego? It's October? Yeah, we went to the mountains in October and we stopped at the Lego store on the way home, and I got 2 Lego sets. The Daisy Duck little minifig and the Cinderella castle. Or that way. There you go. And work on the castle first. So we'll see how long it takes us to do it. It is 5:59. So we'll see how long it takes. Okay, guys, so it's 6:54. We're taking a little eyebrow break. 6:59 will be an hour of working. Troy's going to the bathroom, and this is how much we got done in a little less than an hour. This is what step page we're on. We're doing pretty decent. Got a little while longer to go though. A lot while longer actually. Okay, so it's 8:26 and this is how far we made it.
So we're gonna drop it somewhere in this video as we eat.
See that man in the blue shirt holding the baby? That could be us. Would you like to marry me?
And we found a new place for us to live in Florida, so this vlog is going to be moving Caleb down to Florida in a crazy adventure. Before to show you our new place once it was all furnished. And